Rajiv from JKBC Tech. Today we will unbox the iPad 8th generation. I have the 32GB Space Gray variant. The MRP on the box is 29,900 rupees. Let's unbox it. This iPad 8th generation is come with A12/9 chip, which is in a 6-core processor, 2 powerful cores and 4 power efficient cores. The 2 powerful cores are clocked at 2.5 GHz and the power efficient cores are clocked at 1.6 GHz. Let's keep the iPad aside for some time. Let's check the box contents. Some user manual, which we are never going to use. And some Apple stickers. Let's keep them aside. The cable provided is Type-C to Lightning. Yeah, it's Type-C to Lightning. And we also got a power adapter. I think from next time they will cut the power adapter for iPads also. It is a 20-watt fast charging supported iPhone adapter. You can use for iPhone and iPad. If you have an iPhone already, you can use it for that also. The cable provided is Type-C to Lightning. Yeah, it's Type-C to Lightning. And we also got a power adapter. I think from next time they will cut the power adapter for iPads also. It is a 20-watt fast charging supported iPhone adapter. You can use for iPhone and iPad. If you have an iPhone already, you can use it for that also. Let's peel off the plastic wrap from the iPad. And this iPad support a smart keyboard from Apple and the Apple first generation keyboard. You have to separate them. You have to buy them separately. The Apple keyboard will cost around 14,000 and the Apple Pencil will cost around 8,500. On top we have power button and a secondary microphone and a headphone jack. On bottom we have bottom firing speakers with lightning port. On right you have volume rockers. On left you have a proprietary port for connecting that Apple keyboard. On back you have another microphone and a camera unit which is 8 megapixel, which can shoot up to full HD. On front you have 1.2 megapixel which can shoot up to 720p. On front user. It comes with stereo speakers. The size of the display is 10.2 inches, which is a full HD plus IPS LCD display with 500 nits brightness and 264 ppi. And battery, according to Apple, it can withstand 10 hours of playback time, and it's a 32.4 watt hour battery, and it comes with Bluetooth 4.2 generation, and it comes in 3 colors: silver, gold and space gray. It have fingerprint scanner on the front. It comes in 2 variants, Wi-Fi only and Wi-Fi plus cellular, which is LTE. The Wi-Fi only variant 32GB variant cost around 30,000 and 128GB variant cost around 38,000, and the cellular plus Wi-Fi variant cost around 42,000 and 50,000 respectively. And the weight of the iPad is 490 grams, which is almost half kg. With this iPad you will get 1 year Apple TV subscription free of cost. Okay, I'll set up the iPad and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and thank you.